How to activate Bank of America credit card. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how to activate Bank of America credit card. So first thing first, just simply search in for activate Bank of America credit card online, and once you search in that from any of your browser, just tap on the first link, which is the official webpage provided by the bankofamerica.com itself. So they will guide you through for activation process completely. So activating your credit card online is quick and easy and secure. So they will confirm your identity, verify your card, and get on your way. So if you already have an online ID, you can just choose the first option, where you simply have to sign in with your online ID as well as passcode to speed up the activation process. And if you are new to online or mobile banking, you can just choose the second option to enroll and activate your card and manage your accounts online and on the go. So just tap on the first link over here if you already have an account. In this case, I'll just choose the first link over here. And from over here, you should get the option to actually log in with your user ID, that is registered user ID, as well as your password. So make sure all of the details you provided are correct. And you can also decide to choose to save your ID or not based on your device's preferences. And once you do all of that, just click on login and you should be successfully logged into your account. After that, you will be prompted or given the on-screen instruction to follow to complete the process of activating your credit card. It may even ask you to provide your social security number as well as your personal details. So make sure to follow along with the on-screen instruction and you should be successfully able to activate your credit card from the bankofamerica.com. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.